Hello children, let's draw some shapes. Oval, rectangle, pie, triangle, arrow, right-sided triangle. Let's learn some colors. Black color, green color, sky blue color, blue color, yellow color, red color, red color, oval, red color, oval, sky blue color, rectangle, sky blue color, rectangle, yellow color, pie, yellow color, pie, green color, triangle, green color, triangle, black color, arrow, black color, arrow, blue color, right-sided triangle, blue color, right-sided triangle, red color, oval, sky blue color, rectangle, yellow color, pie, green color, triangle, black color, arrow, blue color, right-sided triangle. Please like my video and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you children.